Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Sticky Soma. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is a Soma cube, printed by Oscar van Deventer, and the whole deal with it is we have a bunch of rods sticking through the Soma cube, holding it all together. There's lots of assemblies for Soma cubes. This is kind of a famous block puzzle where you can actually build different shapes and stuff and gubbins. This one has more or less is fixed into a solution with these rods sticking through it, making it difficult, well, more difficult to reach the final conclusion. Now we actually have this set up here, so I guess without further ado, we will just remove all these rods. They're not per se held in by anything. So we'll take all these rods out, and then I will disassemble and reassemble this thing. I'm just rotating them, letting them drop out. Try not to lose any in the couch. Okay, so now that all the rods are out, we're left with the Soma cube. So, to start with, we'll take our purple piece. We have our grooves here. Put it like so. We will take this piece here, make sure our grooves are all where they should be, because that's what makes this one tricky. We will take this piece here, put it in the center, make sure all your grooves are properly placed. Our blue piece here. Make sure all the grooves are matching what I'm putting in, because this won't work if they don't. Our green piece here. And then our yellow piece, like so. Now the rods will go in. You can do the 6 on the top. They do have little flats that will hold the rod from coming out one direction. So we'll just load a bunch of them in the top. And they should go all the way through if we did this correctly. And then we will rotate our cube. We will load another 6. Then we will rotate our cube one more time. This kind of reminds me of that magician trick where you're like putting swords through like this casket that like a lady or dude is laying in and they're puncturing her and all that. This kind of gives me that vibe. Putting these sticks all throughout this cube. And once all of them are in, it becomes a pretty solid cube. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.